to look at her situation. Any offer for Audrey?
Sure. when on Monday?
On Monday?
Come to the office.
Audrey is supposed to. That's the smart one. Let's answer some few of the comments that came in. Then we move on from there.
I think somebody asked whether he can amend his repayment. Yes, you can. You can amend your repayment depending on the income. The point is that we do not want to take more than 40% of your income as repayment. So because you also need to survive. So we will have to look at your income and see if your income is that high or has gone up, we can adjust your repayment. Okay. And interest rate adjustable. I think there were about 3 or 4 people who spoke about interest rate. Okay. Indeed, we appreciate that fact. Interest rate is a cost of funds. And I must say that now Republic Bank is the lowest. Even though interest rate has gone up so high, Republic Bank offers the lowest interest rate in both commercial and the collaboration with the government. Somebody also spoke about high-rise building. And I agree with the person exactly, because he's talking of the fact because of cost of land, cost of infrastructure. So if you have apartment of, let's say, 16, they will all be sharing the infrastructure, road, and network, and electricity, everything together. And I think it's a concept that, as Ghanaians, we must be looking at, rather than have this lateral, this development spread across everywhere. That no roads.
It should go horizontal.
I think so.
Up in the sky.
I think so. So that we can have. We can maximize.
Sorry, vertical.
We can maximize the use of the infrastructure. And then someone asked how he could open a bank account. It's simple.
Interesting.
Just come.
Interesting.
Just come to the bank. We'll give you application form, and then you provide us with your details.
Adjetey has some for you to pay.
Yeah.
Adjetey.
Well, just to add to the flexibility, I think that we are the most flexible bank or mortgage finance institution when it comes to these mortgage loans. Last year, we launched 2 additional repayment methods. And I mean, the usual one, is the monthly repayment and probably quarterly as well, based on the stream of income. But what we added was you are able to make payment bi-weekly and also semi-monthly. What happens is that with that repayment, you are able to reduce your principal faster, and you get to save on your interest payments that you have made to the bank. And so that adds to the flexibility. And then someone mentioned the interest-free loan by government to put up the 20%. I will leave that version for the government to handle. But on our part, what we have is what we call the CRI, the Collateral Replacement Indemnity. So the insurance company takes up your 20%. You pay a premium, so you don't necessarily need to put down the whole 20%. Insurance will take a premium, and then they cover you for the 20%. So it is very, very possible. And the hometown, yes, I think that we are the only bank that does mortgages across the country. We are in Tamale, we are in Takwa, we are in Takoradi. And so we are making sure that people are getting mortgage finances for where they want to be.
Okay.